Welcome back to the channel, guys. So last night I had uploaded a video of a young lady who was allegedly kidnapped by supposedly taxi drivers, and a voice note was recorded somehow, some way during a part of the altercation. You understand? I remember telling you guys that I don't know nothing about the situation. I don't know the name of the young lady, where exactly she was kidnapped, by whom and why, and what was the current situation. However, I have been made privy to a little bit more information as it relates to the young lady, so her name and some follow-up information. So I'm going to share it with you in a few. I'm soon forward. It says, kidnapped woman sends voice note. 2 suspects now in custody. A shocking voice note of a woman being abducted has led 2 suspects to be arrested in connection with her disappearance in Waterhouse, St. Andrew. She has been identified as 25-year-old Phylisia Christie, not sure about the pronunciation of the first name, who is employed to a prominent telecommunications company. I don't know which one. She was last seen on Saturday morning. But I think like yesterday or the day before, so I never know. Say. Alright. A voice note has been making rounds on WhatsApp and Facebook, which is said to be that of the missing woman. So that is what I had uploaded yesterday, and that is what you heard in the first part of the video. It says the victim was heard crying and pleading with her kidnappers to spare her life, after which one of them was heard urging her to cooperate or else she would be armed. You see, if you not cooperate, me go F you up, he expressed. It is believed that her disappearance is directly linked to an ongoing feud in the Waterhouse and surrounding areas, explained Superintendent Arthur Brown, head of the St. Andrew South Police. But peeps, this kind of leave me with more questions than answers. You understand what I say? So fine, we learn her name, we kind of get some perspective as it relates to the situation, but there are still some questions that I need to be answered that this did not answer, but may I talk to you about it soon, sir.
Them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. See them so me see, beat and teach. So beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
So okay peeps, her name is Phylisia Christie. She is apparently from the Waterhouse area. Her abduction is theorized to be linked to some form of gang feud ongoing in the Waterhouse area. But between whom? That is one question. Secondly, it says there are 2 suspects now in police custody. When I expect to forget the name of the 2 suspects yet, but this don't tell me if the young lady has been found. And if she is found, what is her condition? And if she has not been found, what is being done to try and ascertain her location so she can be found? You understand me? I say, peeps. So, as me I say, if anybody who is close to the situation have any information, I would be extremely grateful for anything that would help to clarify some of the questions that lingers in my mind. So I don't know if she has been located, if she has been found. I don't know if she has returned home or she's alive or she is dead. I absolutely have no idea at this moment. So this leaves more questions than answers to me. You understand what I say? I'm not even going to mention the source of the article still because I know one of the most popular sources, so that's one of the next thing to still. So I'm just go and watch and see. It's one of my subscribers sent it to me. So I appreciate that, my boss. Big up yourself. See? And I go and watch people. So keep me posted if any development arises as it relates to this story. So I could go and watch and see now. So Miss Christie, hopefully you will be returned safely to the love and care of your family as soon as is possible. And I hope these two perpetrators or suspects that are in police custody, as the article says, are made to talk and talk. Now, yes, so one of you youths, boy, I'm telling you, not easy, you know. Not easy, but remember, on our family, you know, life is a cycle, man. What goes around comes around. Like someone not a daughter, and a sister, and a mother, and an auntie, and a niece. But time is the master of all things. I'm out. Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.